if we have such a proportion, this can be represented in many different forms, and we deduce different properties from this relationship. So we have different properties such as invertendo, alternando and componendo. Now let's deduce another very important property of proportions from this relationship. So we have A is to B is proportional to C is to D, which can be written as A by B is equal to C by D. Now what if we subtract 1 from both the sides? So we subtract 1 from LHS and RHS. So what do we get? LHS A by B minus 1 is equal to RHS is C by D, so it becomes C by D minus 1. Now if we solve this, what do we get? B into 1 is B, so we can write A minus B, and this entire has a denominator B. Similarly, D into 1 is D, so C minus D by D. So we have this relationship here. A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. Now if we write this in the form of proportion, what do we get? A minus B is to B is proportional to C minus D is to D. So this is how we can write it. So we had A is to B is proportional to C is to D, and from that we deduced this relationship. A minus B is to B is proportional to C minus D is to D. Now this relationship is a very important property of proportions, and what do we call it? We call it dividendo property of ratio and proportion. So what exactly is dividendo property of ratio and proportion? If A is to B is proportional to C is to D, then A minus B is to B, that is, we subtract second term from first term is to the second term is proportional to, again, C minus D is to D. So this is a very important property of ratio and proportion. It's called dividendo property. So on the basis of dividendo property, can you solve this? What will be the resulting proportion if we apply dividendo property on the following proportion? So we have PQ is to RS is proportional to XY is to UV. Now if we apply dividendo property, what will be the resulting proportion? What do you think? Well, when we apply dividendo property, we can say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Now dividendo property states that this relationship can be written as A minus B is to B. This is proportional to C minus D is to D. So if we substitute the values, what do we get? Well, this is the first term PQ and second term is RS. So it will be PQ minus RS is to, what is the second term? It's RS. This is proportional to C minus D, that is XY minus UV. Is to the last term, that is UV. UV. So this is the final answer. PQ is to RS is proportional to XY is to UV. When we apply the dividendo property, what do we get? PQ minus RS is to RS is proportional to XY minus UV is to UV. So now we have this relationship here. 5 is to 4 is equal to 10 is to 8. Now if we apply dividendo property, what do we get? Well, 5 minus 4 is to 4 is equal to 10 minus 8 is to 8, right? So if we apply dividendo property, this is what we get. Now 5 minus 4 can be written as 1. So this ratio can be written as 1 is to 4 because 5 minus 4 is 1. This is equal to 10 minus 8. So 2 is to 8. 10 minus 8 is 2, and this comes as it is. So even this will be equal. Now are they both equal? Well, if we further simplify, what do we get? 2 is to 8 can be written as 2 by 8. So 2 into 4 is 8. So we have 1 by 4 which can be written as 1 is to 4, which is same as this. So definitely both these ratios are equal to each other, and so dividendo property stands true for this. So whenever you have such a relationship, you can apply dividendo property and you can write the same equation in this form.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.